So, hi guys, welcome to another episode of Engineers. This is DJ Taste, the Cayman of the show, and he's
Shannon Reinstein, man.
the food expert. We are at Biryani Kebabs near the Magoda Chaurasta. We have traveled a long distances, about 2 hours, scouting locations, and this is the only one we have found. And the local food is the best food. Let's go in and boom with some awesome kebabs. Bang on, guys. We have ordered ginger chicken wet and mutton biryani mini, and the most famous kebabs of this place, Thangadi kebab. Shailendra Nation is extremely excited and we're gonna bang.
So, guys, I've got my first dish over. This is the Tangadi kebab. Tangadi kebab is nothing but generally what they do is that they take up the chicken drumsticks and they marinate it with curd and ultimate spices. And I've got my Haryali, the green chutney. Same shit, same color. But now, let's drizzle some lime over here. Ooh. They couldn't even give onions because, as you know, the market situation. Onions are 120 rupees per kilo. Yeah, so this is my first bite. Man, this is super orgasmic. Freshly from the oven, I mean the tandoor. Ultimate marinade, ultimate chart, and man, the cumin powder, ultimate this is. Oh my god, it is super tender, man. But oh yeah, let's take a dip with the chutney. The amount of amchur that he has added over the top is super awesome. Oh my god. Chutney is incredible and bite with the chutney is super awesome. You know, these are such dishes which need accompaniments. Otherwise, this doesn't get orgasm. Anyways, beautifully done. The amount of ultimate awesomeness. Man, this is super crazy. Aha, ultimate. And coming to the flavor profile, there's a lot of cumin powder, the amchur, and the garam masala. These three are empowering this the Tangadi kebab, and I was gonna say I can't stop eating this because this is giving me orgasm. I'll get high right now if I don't stop talking. Diaz is going to bang me, so let me stop it, and Diaz is going to show you the next dish, the Szechuan chicken.
This is a Szechuan chicken which is wet as and very red. It's very hot, I can't hold it. So I'm gonna, oh man, look at this, big fat chunks. Firstly I was disappointed by the amount of Tangadi kebab, but it was gone when I saw this Szechuan kebab. But the looks of it looks amazing. Let's hope it tastes amazing as well. Boom. I'm gonna use a fork because it's super hot. And Shailendra Nation can stop its temptation. Ow. Let's keep it this aside. And firstly, I'm gonna eat, then I'm gonna talk because my brain will be messed up. Always. So here goes nothing. First bite. Ooh. I'm gonna use this to grab some of the wet gravy. Oh shit! It doesn't matter. The Chinese ones can always cry. Boom. Very hot. This is the final bite, then I'm gonna talk. Please bear me eating like a barbarian. Those spoons suck, by the way. Fork is the best. So let me talk about this dish. This dish has many flavors. Mostly I taste garlic, chili, a little bits of here peppers. I don't know what kind of peppers, but they are very spicy. And chicken. Talking about chicken, they are very boneless pieces. They are fresh, big fat chunks. Very spicy. And I think this is called gravy in Indian language. It's very very flavorful. It hits in the mouth with the amount of spice and the garlic. I'm very flabbergasted because I never ate this kind of dish which has so much flavor and spice blended perfectly together. I cannot talk so much. The biryani on the left is getting cold. So Shailendra and me gonna wind up this dish and we'll come at the biryani. Bang on. So guys, after the Szechuan chicken, the mini mutton biryani is added. Actually the quantity is huge compared to the mini. The chunks of mutton are huge. Looking is good. Now let's see how it tastes. Mr. Shailendra, taste it man and tell it how it's gonna be. First, yeah, look at the biryani.
Man, you throw me in the kitchen.
He's gonna work 24/7.
Obviously, I'll work for these people, man. Ultimate biryani. The mutton, look at the tenderness of the meat. Look at this. Now how do I focus this? Anyhow, we are bad at camera angles, but look at this. I didn't even touch it, but it just fell off. That awesome this meat is. First up, the plain awesomeness. This is mandatory. Oh yeah, big chunk of meat and the biryani. And the first bite goes. Man, this is double orgasmic, man. Amazing, man. I forgot what is happening around me. Ooh, this is super awesome, man. Look at my Sam high right now on mutton. The only thing that disappointed me is this one, the cinnamon stick. This is the fault, man. This should not happen with any of the biryani. Okay, but anyways, because the taste is good, I forgive this biryani. Okay, for this cinnamon stick. But anyways, ultimate, man. This is super awesome. The gravy especially. Man, it's hitting my throat right now. I'm not being able to talk anything. I'm high right now. As you can see, my eyes are red in color. I'm blasted. Anyways, this will go with the second bite with the Szechuan chicken and the mutton piece and the rice. The combo of this is going to blast my ass because this is too spicy. And my eyes are red. Now it's gonna be redder. Man, this is as if I have achieved something, as if I've got a Nobel Prize.
Enough of your shit, man. Let me boom. As you can see, we have a heap load of biryani. I have some curry left over from the Szechuan chicken and the shitty green chutney we ate during the first dish. Mr. Shailendra Einstein has so high. Now I'm gonna bang. I'm gonna take a grab of the rice just to see how the plain thing tastes. Here we go.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो
The rice is very good. High quality basmati rice. A bit cold because we came a little late, but I am not disappointed. But looking at this mutton piece, లోపలికి దున్ని ఇచ్చి పడదాం. Yeah. It's very very tender. The bone marrow is also tender. It's so soft. As I'm cutting through the bites of my teeth,
Fuck it.
the mutton is making chunky noises. This is very good. It's very good biryani. What the f*** are you doing? Adding green chutney to biryani. The juicy chicken and the extremely flavorful biryani go well in together. Enough of talking, we spoke a lot. Somp is not a dish, brah. What is that? Horrible eating. Anyway, he's super duper high. He can't even speak. So I'm gonna super quick review. and Mr. Shailendra is gonna give extensive food expert review. So the tangdi kebab was very awesome, very tender, very juicy, very spicy. It was just 120 rupees, and we got 2 big fat leg pieces. I wish we got one more leg piece, but this is more than enough. Coming to the Szechuan chicken. Szechuan chicken is the most spiciest, juiciest, tenderest, tenderest and flavorful. It's very very good dish. The only problem there is food color. The chicken was super duper tender and super high after eating. The garlic was super good. And coming to the biryani, it was the most ultimate mutton biryani. In the menu it was mutton biryani mini, but the quantity was of mutton biryani single. The big fat mutton chunks were super good. It was enough for both of us. Yeah, and mutton biryani was also flavorful, and mutton was very tender. Spicy biryani is very spicy, especially when you combine it with the chicken gravy. The Shailendra is so high right now, he's rocking randomly eating the som. I think, can you speak now?
So this is what happens when you eat some good food, okay? Especially for people like me. I became high, I became dietist today, I became barbaric. I don't know what is happening to me. Even now I'm completely high. I'm not being able to speak anything. I don't want to give any review. I already has did it. But the highlight of the day was the mutton biryani and the tangdi kebab as well. Comparatively, the biryani was amazing to tangdi kebab, but both were amazing. The Szechuan chicken, man, it has hit my throat up, and my mind is, I don't know what is happening to me. I've become barbaric, and the dietitian is astonished by my behavior today. And even the restaurant people are like, what the fuck has happened to this fellow? What is wrong with him? Because I've been laughing since past half an hour. Anyways, so it's time for us to go and meet you in another video. So until then, keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Food Engineer.